you bold and beautiful. How are you doing today? So, today's challenge for the Bestie collab with my besties, Christine and Mama Sue, we're doing a green makeup look, basically. So, the main star is green, but you can pair it with different colors. It doesn't have to be all green, but it has to have green in it. So, since we did Mama Sue's favorite color that she always loved to play with, I don't do pink a lot, but I decided, you know what? Let's kind of marry it up just a little bit with pink. And I said, you know what? Let's go with green. So that's what we're going to do. For this is actually my first time trying this palette and also trying out this brand. It's the Give Me Glow Cosmetics and Bad Witch Club. My goodness. This color story is so beautiful. Look at it. It does have the greens. It does have the purples, the pink, the orange, all of that. I am so excited to play with this. So, like I said, it's mostly going to be green, but we're going to play with some colors that we don't normally do together because I'm trying to get out of my comfort zone, as in not stay within like the blues to the greens or the, you know what I mean? Like, oh, let's, if you're doing a pink, you can do a red eyeshadow or purple, blue with green or green with blue, whatever, or yellow. You know what I mean? You know what I mean. So, just like I said, we're going to try this brand out, but also we're just going to go on and play with this. So, I'm just going to do the eye makeup and do the face off camera because it's just easier for me that way. I'm going to use Beauty Creations. One of my favorite primers from them is the Neutral Eye Base eyeshadows. And they got different colors if you want to work with that. But I really do enjoy the formula of this one, of Beauty Creations. I'm definitely going to try different colors. I'm definitely going to try, like, just basically trying different, things to do, different techniques with primers. Like, I've stuck to with NYX jumbo pencils, which I will forever be stuck with. But sometimes you don't want to stick form. You just want to play with the liquid form. Sometimes you want to play with just a powder form. You just, depending on what you want to do. And for me, it has to do what time of the year it is. Sometimes I definitely will play with this. I will definitely play with this all year long, you know. But I decided to get this palette because it was on sale and it was about to discontinue. So I decided to grab two of them. So I got the two mood one and the this one. So they were on sale and I decided, you know what? I will might as well get them. I'm gonna play with Relax. It's only magic. It's this shade right here. I'm gonna use this as a transition shade. And this is a very unique palette. I think this is great for all year long because you got some warm tones, you got some cool tones. So for me, it works all year long, which I do like within a palette. If the palette can work all year long, it's good for me because you can do so many looks and do different things. I cannot wait to see what Christy and Sue did. This is like a very light. I just went with this neutral eyeshadow base because one, I want to see how this works with this and see what the pigmentation is like without using a white base eyeshadow. I like it. I like green eyeshadow. Green eyeshadows are like my favorite colors to work with. And I love working with green. Greens is always my favorite colors to work with. I probably have more green eyeshadows and I probably gravitate, gravitate towards, gravitate, gravitate more into the greens than I am with blues. And there's shadows that I just like, yes, I want that. Now, I did wish that this shadow did had like another like a nice. Okay, I'm gonna use the Wet n Wild in Cream Brulee. I do need to get another one of these, but I like to use this as a transition shade just to help it blend. I'm gonna use this darker green. I love this. Let me spill it out for you. This dark green right here. I love the shade name of this. So I do. It's so cute. Let me spill it out for you. That is so me. I'm gonna put it right here. Ooh, I like that green. That's just like one of my favorite greens. Um, that's definitely my attitude. Let me spell it out for you. I like this green. I really do. It's a it's definitely a darker version of Relax is Only Magic, but I really do like it. So the pigmentation is really nice. So that's why I like it. For this cool thing I want to do. I'm gonna be using this shade. Why not? Okay. So no mortals allowed. Now I sound like a freaking vampire. So we're gonna see how pigmented this is without using a glitter glue, which I tend to do when it comes to shimmers, but really I don't want to. So we're gonna use this shade. No mortals allowed. I might add that little pink. Look at that. That's pigmented. This is a really good palette. I like the formula of these. So I'm so glad I got another palette from this to try. To see. Oh, this is definitely a pink color. This is like a salmon color. But this one is, and it says, "Let's hex our exes." Me, no, thank you. I'm not gonna hex my exes. I'm good. But I think that's a cute name. So what we're gonna do is just pop that shade right there. I don't know if I'm gonna go with a black eyeliner or not. Usually I don't. Ugh, it's a huge bud. Am I? Okay. Must be like a baby wing, but instead it's not. Okay. What's my favorite? The Elf Lash It Loud mascara. It's okay. So I'll be right back with the finished look. So this is the finished look. Yes, I went a little bit vampy with this look. I don't know what I did. I decided, you know what, let's go, since we're playing with purple, might as well finish the look with purple and everything. But I think this came out really, really good. I like it. Um, but yes, I still gotta practice eyeliner. I still gotta practice. But you know what? We're just gonna do what we can do. As you can see, the eyeliner is not perfect or anything like that, and it's okay if it's not. It's just different eye shapes. So when you have different eye shapes and everything, it's gonna be a little bit different. So it is what it is. But I am actually happy how this look turned out. Definitely give you that little interesting thing with the eye look. Really do enjoy the Give Me Glow, the Bad Witch Club eyeshadow palette. Really, really do like it. I hope they come back with this, or it's still in stock. I don't know if it's discontinued or not. I think it is going to be discontinued. So I don't think it's still online or not. But I say get it while you can. But not you can definitely find different eyeshadows that can recreate this eyeshadow palette. But like I said, I really do like this. I like that little pop of pink right there, little purple, little green. I feel like, oh, the truth. I know Christine likes like a forest green, I believe. I know she likes a pumpkin orange. Um, but I also know that Sue likes pink. So I think this is a nice way of using our three favorite colors. I just realized that. But you know what? It's all about having fun. And yeah. So this is the finished look. Like I said, I really do enjoy creating this makeup look. Of course, all the products I've used in this video will be down below. And also Christine and Mama Sue will be, their channels will be down below too. I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope you have a wonderful day or night wherever you're at. I love you and God bless. Bye.